Welcome back to the channel, boys. On today's episode, you're gonna help me choose my next exhaust system, because over the years I had so many different exhaust systems on the truck, and you guys like them all. So have I. And the truck is not my daily driver anymore, so we can build all kinds of crazy exhaust for it. If you have a crazy idea, just let me know. It's possible. Here they are. Let's start from the first one till the last one and so on. The first exhaust was a straight 6-inch meter cut. But I don't have it anymore. I traded it with a friend. He has it on his Dodge Ford Cummins right now. After that, I did which was the one I did after that? It was the single exhaust. Oh, it was the hood stack. But that pipe is long lost or used in one of those. But it was just a 6-inch hood stack. After that, I did this guy, the Diesel NASCAR Custom Boom Tube. This was the most popular one. Everybody liked it. I liked it and I miss it. Sometimes I want to put it back, but it's up to you guys. After that, I did a garbage truck stack. Six-inch. That's a garbage truck piece exit thingy-majiggy. And after that, I did a 5-inch side exit. I don't know why I did it. I just did. Just before that, I did the shotgun stack. This is a dual 5-inch meter cut. I wanted to do cat exit too, but maybe it's also possible. These are just a few pieces I have laying around, extra pieces. So anything is possible, boys. Let me know what you think. Which one do you want on the truck? And let's make it happen. Before I end this video, I want to show you the truck and how it's been and how it's doing. It's not my daily driver anymore, like I said. I'm in the plans to restoring it in the future, but I'm saving up money to restore it. This is actually my daily driver now. It's a 2000 Mercury Grand Marquis. You can see a few videos of it. But there he is, resting. Let's give it a cold start. I think it's been a few weeks without starting. Excuse the mess in the truck. It's just been sitting here. It's just not clean, you know. But soon it will go inside and the restoration will start. Gonna start with bodywork and paint, and obviously an interior job. Okay, let's see how she goes. There you go, steering wheel locked. Do we have enough juice? Cycle the glow plugs. I live in a tropical island, so it's never cold around here. But it's been sitting for a while. Okay. I'm gonna shut it off quick because my neighbor, I don't wanna suffocate her with diesel exhaust fumes. Where my truck is parked is right next to her bedroom AC system, so let's not do that. So yeah, there you have it. We have the truck. We can work on it without being worried that it's not going to be ready for Monday daily commute. So we have more flexibility. We can build wilder exhaust systems, restore it more thoroughly, maybe even do a home paint job. We don't know. Let's see how the channel is gonna pick up again. Maybe even YouTube can fund the restoration, but that's a big leap to ask that because I'm just a small YouTuber, and you know, it's really hot these days. Anyway, thank you for watching, and let's help me choose my next exhaust system.